So thanks for the question. So I was just checking as you were asking the question. In GISAID, there are more than almost 84,000 full genome sequences that are available. So these are full genome sequences that have been provided by countries, uploaded into the GISAID system. There are more full genome sequences available from other platforms as well. So these are sequences that are available. The changes that we are seeing are also known as mutations. Mutations are the same thing as changes, and these are natural changes that we see in these types of viruses as viruses continue to circulate. And the SARS-CoV-2 virus is no different. So what is really important, and I think when people use the word mutations, especially when I discuss something like this with my family, for example, it's a scary word, but these are natural changes, these are normal changes in the virus. So changes and mutations we use interchangeably. I use changes more often when I speak publicly, but that's the same thing as mutations. The one thing that I think is important that you know about and that the world knows about is that WHO is working with virologists all over the world, people that have incredible experiences with not only viruses and high-threat pathogens, but coronaviruses in particular, and those who study these full genome sequences and study what these changes mean. Because it's important that, like I said, that they change naturally, but are these changes important? Do these changes mean that the virus is behaving differently? Do these changes mean that diagnostics may not work or we may need a new type of a vaccine? And so far, the virus seems relatively stable in the sense that the diagnostics work, the vaccines that are in development, the therapeutics that are in development are still applicable for this virus that is circulating, and that's important. But we have a system in place to help us and to advise us on which of these mutations are important, and then how do we further study them in the lab to look at the differences that those changes may mean. But so far, it's around 84,000 full genome sequences that have been made available, and I would like to just quickly continue to stress the importance for these viruses to be shared, to be sequenced, and to be shared, and to thank all of you who are out there who are continuing to do that.
Thank you very much, Dr. Van Kerkhoff. The next question